And hello guys, so makikita niyo po tayo ay nagbabalik dito sa Minecraft mga tropa. And I think bala ko na po sanang pumunta doon sa Nether, doon sa ginawa natin portal na nakakaan. I think, or I guess, ginawa ko siya offline guys yung portal. Kaya may Nether portal na agad tayo doon and nilagyan ko siya na din sa Nether. So wait, I'm gonna make it first person muna guys. Just wait guys, wait. Oh my goodness, umuulan dito guys. Matutusan umuulan dito. So yeah. And I don't know what to do. Kaya naisipan ko na lang mag-record dito sa gameplay natin. Kasi bala ko na din po sana mag-upload. Kasi sabi ni Yuan, one of my friend and one of my subscribers, na naghihintay daw siya sa upload. Nangako ako mga Monday to or Tuesday pa sana itong upload na to. Pero mas natagalan pa. So it took Friday guys. So Friday ngayon. Friday ba? Saturday? Ay, Saturday ngayon. So it's bad. Literal. So yeah, it's bad. Kinda bad. And where am I? Oh, spawn here. Where am I guys? Oh, there's a hoglin here. Wait, ba't ako inaatake ng mga to? I thought hindi sila nananakit eh. Oh yeah, they're leaving. What's the matter with them? They were leaving guys. Oh my god, there was a gust here. There was a gust. Oh no. Just run as fast as we can. Oh my goodness. He or she's going to rush me guys. Wait, to run. Oh, there was a skeleton here. How long have you been here? Skeleton eh. Walang skeleton sa Nether eh. Ang alam ko, wither. Oh my god, yung target ako doon. I thought na wither yung enemy natin. Oh my god. Ba't ganun agad yung hold? Yun, sumagin mo siya. Yan, tira-target ka. It was so bad. All we need to do is to escape. Mukha papatay na ng mga skeleton dito. Oh my gosh. Oh no. This is undead end. I think we're dead. Oh. Yeah, buti may helper tayo dito. Oh my god, there's a hug here. Get off me, guys. Dead. Probably dead. Gosh, I'm dead, guys. I'm freaking dead. Are we going to back to the portal, guys? Yeah. Yes, we are. Ang hirap nilang kalaban, guys. So, mahina ba yung voice ko? I think our voice was too low. But I have to make it low, guys. I have to make it low. Oh no. I thought the Haglin were obedient pero hindi pala ako. I think dead. Ay, dead na naman ako. For sure. Oh my god. Not again. Bye-bye. Expect ko dito kumalat. Wala. Ang hirap talaga ngayon. Ang complicated. It was so complicated, guys. So I'm gonna back guys, I'm gonna back to all of you. Wait. So yan, kung makikita ito po ay nandito na tayo sa fortress mga tropa. In-explore ko talaga yung lugar na to. Nag-risk ako ng buhay ko. Oh, may blaze pa dito. Blast. And there was a blaze here and hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko sa mga to. Oh my goodness. Oh, come here. Just come. Come on, man. Come. I said come. So guys, medyo maingay dito dahil lang umuulan. It's raining here in Dakanla. So, I'm sorry about that. Oh my god. May mga wither skeleton dito. I think this guy is hard. But I have to fight them. Hindi tayo makakatakas dito nung hindi tayo lumalaban. Even though to my death, it was okay. It's okay for me. It's okay. It is okay. It was my idea naman to fight them. So what are we going to do? Oh my god, there was a blaze here. There is a blaze here because this is present tense. Oh my. Akala ko tinamaan tayo ng charge. Ano niya? Akala ko tinamaan tayo ng charge blast. Sorry guys, I realized na ang ingay pala dito dahil nung oh my god, yung footstep na tito ko. I'm sorry about that. Narealize ko na ang ingay pala dito guys. Alam mo, you know why? Because it's raining and except for raining, may tumutunog pa dito bakal na something na tumatama. So, I'm literally sorry about that. Humingi ako ng tawad. Humingi ako ng dispense about that. So, what are we trying to do? What are you trying to do with me, bro? You're gonna kill me? I have shield, bro. Do you have shield? No, surely you don't have. Oh, Drawida. Oh my god, shield. Oh, he almost got me, guys. He almost got me. Oh my goodness. I think this is a boring episode. Wala ata tayong objective dito. Objective na natin dito guys is hanapin yung Nether Fortress. Pero nahanap na natin yung Nether Fortress. Kaya we need to live there. We need to live here as soon as we can. Baka so yung mamaya mapatay-patay dito. They might kill us. Tama, dito nga. Tama. So then we're here na naman is we're gonna put a block here. Kasi matangkad yung wither skeleton guys. Hindi sila basta-basta nakakapasok. Let's say here, diba? Let's see. Sabi din ng pinsan ko para lang tayo mag-farming dito. Wala, pagiging wither skeleton farm lang to. Diba? Easy right? Tama. Diba? Diba? Ano wither, hindi ba kita? Bulag ka talaga. Nagtatrap sila ng coal. Wow, they're dropping coal guys. Okay. Nagtatrap na sila ng coal ngayon. Dati parang wither rose ba yan? Yung black rose. Nagtatrap sila ng ganun. Pero ngayon, nagtatrap na sila ng coal. I don't know if that's been a long time na pero if matagal na ba yon. Pero ngayon ko lang talaga nakita na nagda-drop ng coal ang wither skeleton. Oh god, nagpa-flame up yung base yung blaze doon kasi and also the other one. They're flaming up guys. They want to kill us. Wala na. Ito, may sarito ako dito. You wanna fight me? Then go here. Duwag ka pala eh. I thought you can fight me. I thought you could fight me, guys. No, not you guys. Oh god, Lobat. We're Lobat, guys. Lobat, okay. I need to kill this base. So I'm gonna stop the video and I'm gonna go back, guys. Don't worry. No need to worry about that, guys. Don't worry. Where? So, I'm back, guys. Kung makikita nyo po, ay wala na tayong gamit, mga tropa. Wala na. As in, wala na. Wala na yung gamit natin. Wala na. So, we're GG's about that. Oh my god. Nababad trip pa din ako hanggang ngayon. Kung makikita nyo, wala na yung gamit natin. Alam nyo ba yung nangyari sa Fortress? Habang nakikipag-battle ako sa mga mobs doon sa Nether, unfortunately, nalaglag ako sa may lava. Nalaglag ako, guys. My god. Hindi ko naman gagawin to. Nakakainis. Sobra. So, I think tapusin na natin itong record na to. And if matapos ko man to kasi palis pa ako mamaya eh. So, I think I'm gonna end this na. No, not now, but soon. Yeah, soon. Yan, buti na may diamond pa ako dito. Buti hindi ko sila nadala bago ako nagpunta ng Nether. Nasaan yung diamond pickaxe natin, yung iron armor natin, iron equipments natin. Naging basuka lang. Wala lang para sa mga yon. It's making me oh my god. Naiinis ako. It pissed me off, guys. Yan. We have more iron pa naman. And I think mag-farm ako ng iron offline. And kung makikita nyo, may pale oak ako doon. Makikita nyo. May pale wood ako doon. Yung may pale log. Yeah. nung nakaraan kasi guys, I was wondering and minakita kong mga yung pale oak something. Kumuha na lang ako na isang stock kasi wala na din tayong Kapag nag-farm pa ako na matagal doon, and then that time is nighttime guys, nighttime. Yeah, nighttime, and it was so dangerous. I think you know that. Yeah. And the zombies were dangerous guys, kaya hindi ako makapunta. And that time, on the other hand, wala akong choice kundi kinuha ko na lang yung pale oak wood immediately. Yeah, immediately. So sorry, baka napuputol ako and makarinig niyo mga titito ko dun. Let him be. He's taking a bath guys. And I was the next one. So I'm the next one na maliligo mamaya guys. Kututusin nasa kama lang ako guys. Yeah. I was in my bed. Just bed rotting, I guess. Yeah, you heard that. He's singing. I don't know if Wasbine or is. Basta, he's singing. That's all. Buti na naisipan ko pa yung apostrophe na yun diba? Hindi, nakulangan tayo sa woods. We need to gather more. I think we have stuck pa here. We only have stuck here. Wait, where was the wood? Here. Yeah, spruce log. Yeah, we have. So, no adventure muna tayo sa nether. So, siguro magiging title to is The Nether is Dangerous. Ano daw? Oh my god, sorry. Ito, umaano na naman yung pinto dito. As you can heard. Wait. I'm gonna close it. Saka din naman ito. Makikirinig nyo. Dinig nyo naman, diba? Na-close ko lang yung door, guys. Sorry. I'm gonna lipat muna. Lipat muna tayo, guys. So, I'm here at the balcony. Dito ako mag-record, guys. So, yan. Ang hangin. It's so hangin. And my dog is here. Hello, doggy. How's you doing? And my donkey also. So yeah, I'm here. Buti walang tao dito, no? Nag-record ako dito guys, and nakakahiya kung may tao man dito. Di ba pag-record dito? My embarrassment will gonna out. Oh! And alam nyo ba, medyo kadiri itong kakwento ko Bagay, nagma-Minecraft video naman tayo. Then, we're still walking and may dito, may wandering trader. Alam nyo ba, may lumalangoy na llama dito sa swimming pool namin. Llama? No, not llama. Frog. There was a frog swimming out here. You wanna swim? Makikita nyo, kakadiri talaga. Mamaya lunod yung dito Okay, so focus tayo sa game. So, by here, ayan, we found the lead. Yeah, finally. And we're gonna leash them. Yeah, we're gonna lead them. So, kailangan nating need to take them on the fence. In the fence. So, yeah. Diba kinig nyo? May motorcycle. Nandito kasi ako sa Dacanlao guys, sa isa naming house. Yeah, this is our real house. Pero mas stay on ako dun sa Kalantas, dun sa maingay na place. Mas maingay pa nga talaga dun Actually, mas maingay dun kaysa dito. Dito, peaceful. Yung maririnig mo na talaga yung vehicles So yan by here, for here is, yeah. I'm still finding carpet pero walang carpet dito. Ay, maghahanap na lang ako guys ng carpet dito. Yeah, if may makita man tayo mga ships kasi andalang. Alam niyo guys, nakakalito dito ng Minecraft Ang lupit talaga ni Mojang. Mojang is very cruel guys. Cruel, yung cruelty niya. Alam niyo kung bakit? Yan. Bumalik na ako guys. As you can see. Alam niyo kung bakit ang cruel ni Mojang? Ay, makikita niyo may ship na. Kapag hindi ka nagfa-farm ng mga ship, I mean, hindi ka nagpapasunod. How we call, nagtitame ng mga ships, ganon. Always silang lumalabas. And if ever naman maghahanap ka ng mga ships or mga cow, ang dalang nila lumabas. Ayun, sinishare ko na yung ano nila. Yung mga wolves. Ano mas okay pa to kaysa patayin natin sila. Pero I need to kill them soon because kailangan natin yung meat. Nakulangan na kasi tayo sa food. Kung makikita nyo, bihira lang tayo mag-food, diba? And I'm hungry na. I need to... Wala tayong ano. I think kaya natin mag-craft ng red wool, ng red carpet. Yeah, we can craft, guys. Okay. We can. And we're trying to place it here. Yan, kung makikita nyo, yun Nag-iba na yung suit ni Llama. He changed her or him or his outfit, guys. Nag-iba yung outfit umangas. So bala ko sana sa isa blue ka, so we don't have a choice. Gabi na Hinahabol tayo ng mga zombie. Yun may zombie dito. There was a zombie here. There's a zombie here. Ba't ako kumakanta, guys? Hindi ko alam kung ba't ako kumakanta. You may not rest now. There are monsters nearby. Yeah. We may not rest now. So what are we trying to do? Ba't yun na lang lagi yung word na sinasabi ko? Sige. May iba naman. I meant not sleep now. Because kasi sinabing monster sa Minecraft, di ba pwedeng isa-isa na lang kayo maglabasan? Hindi naman yung agad is finul na yung buong world Paka OA naman. Hindi naman OA sa Mojang So okay, we're out and I think dito naman is tatapusin ko din yung video. Ayun, wandering trader here. And the zombies. Balak nga sana namin mga kuling, di ba this Christmas na, guys? And balak sana talaga namin mga kuling magtotropa. But the problem is galing bagyo yung kasama namin. But wala ko kaya ako about daily life ko. I'm just making a story about Minecraft. About in this game. About this game, guys. There's so many spider here. Ano pa yung chicken doon? Oh my god. Wait. Maya natin siya tapusin. I think lagyan din natin ito kasal Llama before natin tapusin yung video. Ayan, diba? May red carpet na, diba? Oh my god. And same lang sila ng carpet. Next time change ko yung carpet nila para magkaiba naman sila syempre. Like naman yung always the same Yan. Be gentle. Ano kinalaman na gentle doon? So yeah, guys. Yeah. I think I'm gonna end it here. Papasalamat ako sa inyo kasi you're still supporting my video. Madami pa din talagang gusto mag-upload ako. So yeah, I think madami pa nag-abang sa akin. And I thought uunti pa yung subscribers kapag di ako nagano. So yun lang, bye bye.